All praises to Allah, the omnipresent, the embodiment of mercy, the most propitious, the most compassionate, and the most benevolent. So today my topic's about how can we improve our English. Everybody strong longing and strong aim is that I become an English speaker. So now I teach the tips and tricks which is requirement to improving your English. So that's bringing into your effects and follow that. So really and truly you will be top-notch or business English speaker. So let's jump to the tips. Which tips is requirement to improving your English? Number first tips that's very essential to improve your English. Learn vocabulary. Vocabulary is the first tips by which improve your English. Vocabulary is important and prodigious tool to speaking English. Vocabulary in English like in a building a block. Without block, you can't build a building. So with the same case, without vocabulary, you can't make one sentence. So that's the case. Vocabulary is top-notch and business is important tool to speaking English. And vocabulary is also like a bullet. If you have bullet, you can be shoot. If you have no bullet, you can never shoot. And vocabulary is also like in a body, a bone. Without bone, you can't movement. Without bone, you can't locomotion. So with the same case, without vocabulary, you can't speak English. So that's the first. The second tips, which is also essential, that reads. If you read more, your speaking will be really immensely well. If you read more, you will be flying in English. One is walking in English, another is flying in English. If you want flying in English, then read more, so read more. So that's the second tips. And number third tips by which your English is improved. So that's listening. Listening is also the part of improving your English. So listen, event, great English speaker, native speakers, familiars, friends. So everyone, why not, if they know a bit English, so speak and practice and improve your English. So number 4 tip, that's practice. We know about practice make human perfect. With the same case, practice is essential to improving your English. Practice is an important tool in everything. Even without practice, you will never improve. I give one example about practice. For instance, if you are a player, for 1 year you are resigned from cricket. After 1 year, you will be never play. You will be play, but as much not like before you are performing. Problem is the main reason. If you never play as much like before your performance, that practice, your practice is not. How much means if your practice is more, as much you will be improve your English. So last but not the least, that thinking in English. So thinking is also the part of improving your English. If your other language is Pashto, if your mother language is Hindi, everyone, if your mother language is why not, but first thinking in your mother language, then convert into English, so your English will be improved. So that's the tips, bringing into your facts. So really and truly you will be top-notch or business English speaker. So thank you for listening and to your rapt attentions.